Alright, on that note, give it up for my fellow Christian, Christopher Barretto, everybody. Put your hands together.
Hello, hi. My name is Christopher. Yes, I am funny. My name is Christopher. I am 23 years old, and I know I don't look like I'm 20. I look much older. And in the beginning, it was very difficult for me to make peace with this fact, but now I'm okay. Like the other day, I was on the street and someone yelled, "Oh, chacha!" And I'm like, "हाँ कोई बुलाया है क्या?" Just immediately turned. I have parents, and last year they bought me a new bike. क्योंकि स्विगी वाला बहुत टाइम लगा रहा था डिलीवर करने को. Like तू ही जाके लेके आ अभी चल. And they're very nice people, okay? They're very supportive of me doing stand-up. And whenever I do a bad show, it shows on my face. And I go back home and they can see it. And then they ask me stuff like, "Oh, was it a bad show? It's okay, whatever." But I don't want them to know that I'm doing bad in comedy. So I start convincing them the way I used to convince them when I was a kid. I would be like, हाँ मेरा तो बुरा गया मगर बाकी सब लोग ने भी अच्छा नहीं किया. So it's fine. My mom was a Gujarati. She converted, and my nana used to have a tea stall. So naturally, she's a big fan of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. So that business-mindedness of hers, like, came with her when she grew older, and she likes to do these small businesses from time to time. All right. So the latest business that she had started was selling bean bags. The way she did that was, she would put up pictures of beanbags on a WhatsApp story, and that's it. No price, no contact me, nothing. So everybody just thought that she's a beanbag enthusiast. I am really scared of death. There's only one reason for that, because I don't want people to talk shit about me after I die. And I've noticed that happen. Like, there was this uncle in my building, okay? One morning, he goes up to buy eggs for breakfast. On the way back, he meets with an accident, dies on the spot. At his funeral, there are two other uncles and they're like, "वो देखो अंडे लेने गया था, खुद ऑमलेट बन के वापस आ गया." I don't want to be... Can you imagine looking from the sky? You're like, fuck. That's the negative side of death. There's also the positive reinforcement, which I don't like. Because there was this kid in my school, okay, and his uncle had died. So every day he would put up on his Facebook story, "Miss you, uncle, miss you, uncle." Every day, okay? 4 weeks he put it up every single day without fail. After 4 weeks, he stopped. And then I got a heart attack. I was like, fuck, uncle कहीं वापस तो नहीं आ गए. I got very concerned. I messaged him. I was like, "Bro, what happened? You're not missing your uncle today?" He was like, "Bro, actually the scene is that my aunt is in the hospital and doesn't look like she's going to make it." And I was like, "अच्छा तो prepare कर रहा है तो उसके लिए बस." That's all. So that's why I hate death. This pandemic, thanks to this pandemic, I don't have to go to office. And because of that, I don't have to see my HR's face because I hate her. I'll tell you why. I've realized something. Never put extracurriculars in your CV. Because I put the fact that I play the guitar in my CV, and my HR saw it. And the moment I joined on my first day, she was like, "Oh, so you play the guitar? So you know what we can do? Whenever it's someone's birthday, you come, bring your guitar. We'll go to their desk and we'll sing happy birthday and you play the guitar, okay?" And I was like, "Bhenchod, office है कि एक barbecue nation है ये?" What is happening? Now I'm putting other extracurricular activities only, like, what are your hobbies, extra parking space, or increment, all of that I'm putting. I've been telling you guys stuff about myself, I'll tell you guys more. I had a girlfriend, and matlab, you will see where this goes. I had a girlfriend. अभी तो 4 मिनट बाद के तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ जाएगा ये. I had a girlfriend, okay? I had like a couple of them. The first girlfriend, I didn't like her because she was a biter. Okay? And I hate that because, like, hickeys all over the face. It's very annoying. And I was telling my colleague about this, I was like, dude, I hate the fact that my girlfriend gives me hickeys because I don't have to hide it from my parents. And he's like, yeah, dude, I get it. Even I hate the fact that my girlfriend gives me hickeys because then I have to hide it from my wife. And I'm like, what? That's fine then. My second girlfriend though, alright? She used to get pregnancy scares all the time, which was very annoying, okay? And ladies, I get it. Pregnancy scares are a real thing. A lot of women go through it. Just hear my side of the story. Have sex with me first. उसको लगता था सीड खाने से अपने आप पेट में पेड़ उग जाएगा. Whoever laughed swallowed, okay? And we used to have a lot of fights about it. And the thing is, at first I used to be like, she'll get a period soon, everything will be fine. But she had PCOD. And she very conveniently forgot to tell me about it. After 3 weeks, no period. In my head, only one song is playing. Congratulations. That's what's going on. And in the future, I do want to have kids. But at that moment, I realized I don't want her child. I don't want a child with her. Because the child will grow up, will ask, questions that every child asks their parents. My child will come to me and he'll like, Papa, चूतिया क्या होता है? And I'll be like, बेटा वो जो तेरी माँ ने मुझे बनाया. Naturally, I joined Tinder and I've realized that we as Indians don't deserve it. Because we have no sense of privacy. Like I was in the train, I was swiping on Tinder. 4 other guys are swiping for me as well. One guy is like, नहीं वो वाली नहीं उसको let's swipe कर. I asked him क्यों? मेरी बहन है वो इसलिए. I don't deserve it. And I came across so many bios. I came across this one bio that said, if my dog likes you, then we'll talk. And I'm like, I miss the 90s जब लड़की का हाथ उसके बाप से मांगना पड़ता था. अभी कुत्ते से मांगना पड़ रहा है मुझे. But we matched और उसने घर बुला लिया. तो अब पहली बार किसी के घर जाते तो खाली हाथ तो जाते नहीं है. तो मैं पेडिग्री ले गया. ससुर जी को इम्प्रेस भी तो करना है. Prepared. I went there. I see the dog. The dog is humping a pillow. And I'm like, अरे सासू माँ आप भी यहाँ पे हो. I matched with this other girl and she was really hot. She was so hot. I was like, fuck, am I catfishing by any chance? We matched. She messaged me. She's like, let's cut to the chase, shall we? Why did you right swipe? You just want to bang me, right? Haha. And I was like, whoa. Haha. Yeah, I do. And she immediately unmatched. Honesty is not the best policy. I living in this city for like almost 23 years, I have realized that, this entire city is a sitcom in itself. I can prove it to you. I was on my way here. I caught this couple having sex behind the metro construction. In construction clothes. I was like, boss, क्या कर रहे हो? And like, metro construction के लिए मजदूर पैदा कर रहा हूँ. करो फिर. इसलिए तो काम खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. Pandemic में भी नहीं हुआ. And like I have a bike, right? I was in traffic once. Okay, traffic is going like this, perpendicular to traffic. Okay, right at the end, at the signal, there's another biker. Okay, he's blocking all of us, not moving, talking on his phone. All right, we're all sounding the horn. He's not moving. All right, I go a little bit ahead and I ask him, कि ऐसा क्या important काम है कि तो आगे जाके बात नहीं कर सकता है phone पे. He's like, मेरी माँ मर गई. And the auto wala next to me is like, हाँ तो चुटे घर जाना सीधा माँ के पास ऊपर जाएगा क्या तू? Alright guys, thank you so much. Please give it up for Naveen.